Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dilute potassium permanganate, updated. Wear chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection and work in a well-ventilated area. Never perform dilution without understanding concentration, hazards, and compatibility. Keep organics, acids, and flammable materials well away from the work area. If you are unsure, seek guidance from a qualified chemist or local hazardous materials team before proceeding to avoid injury or dangerous reactions. Prepare carefully and methodically so you reduce risks. Verify the chemical strength and read the MSDS to learn incompatibilities and first aid. Use only containers rated for oxidizers and keep the work area clear of clutter and combustibles. Have spill absorbents, neutralizers, and eye wash nearby. If at any point you doubt the procedure or equipment, stop and contact a professional who can assist safely. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab some leak-proof containers to keep chemicals and supplies tidy and mess-free. They make prep and cleanup much easier and add a layer of containment humorously compared to spilled stains. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick some up, they'll save time and headaches. Now let's get back to the video. Handle solutions gently and avoid splashes, inhalation, or skin contact. Keep small, clearly labeled containers for short-term use and return excess chemical to appropriate waste management. Never pour reactive wastes down drains or mix with incompatible substances. Follow local disposal protocols and contact hazardous waste services for guidance. Proper storage and labeling go a long way toward preventing accidental reactions and exposures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.